Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can find watch later playlist on YouTube. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that is simply have to go to your YouTube app right over here. Let's go back from this section. You will be in the home section originally. Then you simply have to go to the U option, the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you go there, you will have to simply go to the section of the channel. Once you're here in the account section, you will find the watch later playlist right over here in the playlist section listed automatically. You can go ahead, tap on it, and you will find all of the videos that you have added to your watch later. And you can simply go ahead and browse through and start watching at once. That's how easy it is for you to locate your watch later. All you have to do is go to be from your home section, locate to your profile at the bottom right corner, and then you have a playlist section, and then you will find your watch later right over here, and you can check out the videos. That's what you can do. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.